My name is Tatiana. I'm a native Russian speaker with a PhD in linguistics. I will teach you how to speak fluent and natural Russian. You will get a course tailored to your needs, objectives, and learning goals. I teach students of all levels from 0 to C2 and courses like General Russian if you need an everyday communication, Business Russian if you want to communicate with your Russian-speaking partners and clients, and Russian for specific purposes if you need professional communication in your professional sphere. For example, you're an engineer or a doctor and you have to communicate with your Russian speakers and you have to write letters or articles in your professional environment. As for my teaching method, of course, I adore grammar as a person with an academic background, but I prefer a communicative method so that you could apply and practice your Russian immediately. As for my teaching style, I'm a meme creator, so memes, songs, videos, and jokes are a warm-up for every lesson or a focus of a whole lesson if you have such a goal. Book intelligent lessons with me. See you!